my name is Vincent Creel and I'm the city's Public Affairs Manager. I'm here to deliver today's Be Prepared report. This is being recorded on Monday, June 29th, 2020 at 3:30 in the afternoon. Today, the Mississippi State Department of Health reports that 675 new cases of the coronavirus have been identified in the past 24 hours. There have been 1,500 cases reported since Friday. There have also been a total of 20 deaths from the coronavirus reported in the past 24 hours, with 18 of those deaths, they say, occurred between May 5th and June 22nd. Regardless, 37 deaths were reported since Friday. Does that sound like a lot of numbers? There's more. Statewide, since mid-March, there have been 26,567 positive tests for the coronavirus. And since mid-March, there have been 1,059 deaths statewide. This chart shows the total number of positive tests statewide since the crisis began. This chart shows you the 14-day track on cases statewide. In Harrison County, the State Department of Health reports that we've seen 46 positive tests for the coronavirus in the past 24 hours. There have been 81 since Friday. This chart shows the Harrison County running 14-day average. That's the red line that shows the daily average. The bottom line is that the number of new positive tests continues to grow. The city continues to warn residents that we are in the midst of a pandemic. Wash your hands frequently, social distance, which means that you should stay 6 feet from others. Stay home if you are sick or if you don't feel well. And yes, wear a face mask when you're in public. And of course, an employee at City Hall has tested positive for the coronavirus. City Hall was closed to the public today, but staff continued to work, and all those who came in contact with the person were tested today. City Hall was sanitized floor by floor, and necessary steps are being followed for the safety of City Hall employees and visitors to the building. We continue to recommend that when you do business with City Hall, or with any city department, or with anyone for that matter, do business by phone, email, or online. If you have to go out in public, wear a mask or have one handy for those occasions when you may not be able to social distance. It's that simple. Have it in your pocket, pull it out. Do you have a mask? They are available for free at the Biloxi Visitor Center, and civic groups can get them by calling the Biloxi Fire Department. Call the Chief's office at 435-6200 Monday through Friday from 8 until 5. Please remember the coronavirus is spread by contact, primarily person to person. So remember to limit distance. You should keep 6 feet between you and the outside world. They say that is your safe zone. Think about services touched frequently. Keep them sanitized. Limit your trips. Plan ahead. You see more and more events taking place, but ask yourself, is it safe for you? Can you keep your distance? The Biloxi City Council does not meet this week. The City Council meets on the first, third, and fourth Tuesday of each month. You can see video from past meetings on the city's website. Just click on the YouTube icon at the top right. By the way, there were 6,083 registered cars for this past weekend's Scraping the Coast. Traffic was heavy throughout the weekend. Police implemented several parts of their traffic plan to control traffic. No venting was required, but intersections were closed, interior lanes were closed, and traffic moved safely, slowly and loudly, but safely. We want to thank Chief John Miller and the members of the Biloxi Police Department. We thank the Public Works Department for placing barricades and traffic cones. And we thank the members of the public, you, for your patience with this Coliseum event. This weekend, of course, is the 4th of July fireworks show. We'll have more on that on the city's website and on Friday for another Be Prepared report. That's our report for today. We remind you, by the way, that the Eisenhower Rail Crossing, that's near Edgewater Mall, is going to be closed Tuesday at 5 a.m. It's going to close for 24 hours while CSX crews make improvements to the crossing. We leave you today with this important message. It's a reminder, really, from Dr. Anthony Fauci and the nation's leading authorities on public health. It's a 1-minute message, so please watch it and heed the advice. We'll see you later this week.
Why should young people care about the spread of coronavirus? Well, we know that people with underlying medical conditions over the age of 60 are at highest risk, but they've got to get it from somebody.
So we're asking everyone to be selfless for others so that we can protect those who are most susceptible.
Not going to bars, not going to restaurants. It all just means physical separation so that you have a space between you and others.
For more information on how you can social distance, please go to coronavirus.gov.